Look at your boy in that big truck all on the other side of the road. All on the other side of the road, man. You can't make it, but damn, he's sliding back too. Man, look at him sliding back. He's sliding back. You ain't finna slide into me. Let me get my ass on. Shit. Hold on. I can't record this. Goddamn it, I got to move out the way. Oh shit, I got to make evasive action. Hey look, I'm running from a damn truck. Look at this. Lord have mercy. I'm running from a damn truck. Them wheels back there ain't even turned, they just locked. Shit, I can't even get no insurance claim out that one. I'm just playing. Look at here, buddy. Hey, as long as you keep it straight, you good. Yeah. You got some people up there stuck in the ditch. All right, let me get on up this hill. See what this Ford gonna do for me. Yeah, traction light. I'm losing traction, people. I'm finna get up this hill though. Yeah, okay. Momentum, look at this. Look at this. Look at this here. Oh, they done wrecked the new Benz and the new Jeep. Oh, how you doing, guy? Wrecked the new Benz and the new Jeep. This car in the 300 can't make it up the hill. We got the Dodge Magnum right there. He just spinning his back wheels. He's just spinning his back wheels. People, put your cars in reverse and go back down the hill and go back the other side. It is better. I promise you. Yeah. Hey, look here. The Gator, this is a two-wheel drive. I'm just passing everybody. Yeah, buddy. All right. All right.